When it comes to increasing the value of your Columbia home, small details can have a big impact. One such detail that is often overlooked is door installation. Whether it's a grand entry door that makes a statement or high-quality interior doors that enhance your home's aesthetic, investing in professional door installation can significantly boost your home's value. Here's how professional installation elevates your property and makes a lasting impression. Improved curb appeal and first impressions. The front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A professionally installed entry door can create an inviting appearance that enhances your home's curb appeal. In Columbia's competitive real estate market, curb appeal plays a crucial role in attracting potential buyers and leaving a positive first impression. Professional door installers ensure that your door fits seamlessly within the frame, looks perfectly aligned, and operates smoothly. They also pay attention to details like paint finish, weather stripping, and hardware. The result is a front door that stands out for its beauty and functionality, giving your home an edge over others on the market. Enhanced energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for many Columbia homeowners, especially with the region's hot summers and chilly winters. Poorly installed doors can lead to drafts, heat loss, and higher energy bills. Professional door installation eliminates these issues by providing a tight, secure fit that prevents air leakage. Professionals ensure that the door is properly sealed with weather stripping and caulking to minimize energy loss. This helps your home maintain a consistent temperature, reducing the workload on your HVAC system and saving you money on utility bills. Energy-efficient doors not only lower your monthly expenses but also appeal to eco-conscious buyers, increasing your home's overall market value. Proper functionality and long-lasting durability. A door that doesn't open, close, or latch properly can be a source of frustration and may deter potential buyers. Professional door installation guarantees that your doors function as intended, providing smooth operation and a secure fit. Installers pay attention to details like hinge alignment, latch placement, and frame fitting to ensure the door operates without issues. Additionally, a properly installed door is more durable and resistant to wear and tear. This is especially important for entry doors, which are exposed to weather conditions, heavy usage, and potential impact. Investing in professional installation ensures that your doors are built to last, reducing the need for future repairs and replacements. Increased security and peace of mind. Security is a key consideration for homeowners in Columbia, and professionally installed doors can make a significant difference. Professional installers understand how to reinforce door frames, install sturdy locks, and align hinges properly to enhance your home's security. A door that fits correctly with no gaps or weaknesses is more resistant to forced entry, providing you and potential buyers with peace of mind. High-quality security features, such as deadbolts, smart locks, and reinforced hardware, can be seamlessly incorporated into the installation process by professionals. Highlighting your home's security features can be a major selling point that increases its value and appeal. Customization and design flexibility. Professional door installation allows you to customize your doors to match your home's style and design. Whether you prefer a traditional wooden door, a modern glass option, or something unique, professionals can help you select and install doors that complement your home's architecture and interior decor. Custom door options can enhance your property's value by making it stand out. Buyers appreciate unique, well-designed doors that reflect the character of the home. By working with experienced professionals, you can achieve a look that adds to the overall charm and sophistication of your property. Compliance with building codes and standards. Professional door installers are familiar with local building codes and regulations in Columbia. By hiring professionals, you ensure that your door installation meets all necessary standards, including fire safety, accessibility, and structural integrity. Non-compliance can lead to issues down the line, including failed inspections or costly modifications. Higher return on investment. While professional door installation may come with an upfront cost, the return on investment is well worth it. Improved curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and overall functionality make your home more attractive to potential buyers. This can lead to a faster sale and a higher asking price. Conclusion. The role of professional door installation in boosting the value of your Columbia home cannot be understated. From enhancing curb appeal and energy efficiency to improving security and functionality, a professionally installed door offers numerous benefits that go beyond aesthetics. By investing in quality doors and expert installation, you're not just enhancing your home's value. You're making a smart, lasting investment in your property. For homeowners looking to stand out in Colombia's real estate market, professional door installation is a wise move that pays dividends in comfort, security, and market appeal.